Ayan. So, sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa akin, kung first time po ninyo, my name is Lemol Sena and I'm your training director here in NanoCell. So, for the past 2 decades, I've been in the wellness industry na po. Primarily because the influence ng aking mga magulang. Ang father ko po kasi is a health advocate as a chemist and as a plant manager for Unilab for 25 years. Nakita ko po yung effect ng pharmaceuticals. Kung talagang purely pharmaceutical lang pong gagamitin nyo, nakita ko po yung naging side effect po sa katawan niya. And that's also the reason why I want to share the goodness of wellness, no? Using natural products. In fact, no, last 2021 po, mas tumatak po sa akin yung health, no, as a priority in our lives no ako po mismo ay nagkasakit. Sobrang baba po ng oxygen ko. 10 days po ako na naka 24/7 naka-oxygen, no? Floated na po ako kaya ang bilis ko makaubos ng oxygen noon kasi talagang sobrang hindi na po ako makahinga because of COVID. And napansin ko po, after ko po magpa-vaccinate, no, multiple times, my body was changing. That I was aging faster. I was having alopecia, different parts of my body, no? Lumalaki po ako. I'm having this pain at my back. Nagkakaroon po ako ng gout. Ihi ako ng ihi sa madaling araw. Ang dami. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako ganito dati ah. Dati nakakapaglaro pa ako ng basketball every week. It stopped me from doing the things that I love to do. And good thing, somebody introduced to me this company. And na-try ko po yung mga products po nila. Sa loob po ng 30 days, nagulat po ako. Sabi nga nung asawa ko, "Daddy, parang lumiliit ka. Parang nawala yung manas mo." Sabi ko nga, "Oo nga 'no." Kasi nung nag-weigh-in po ako, gano'n pa rin po yung timbang ko. That's why sabi ko, tuloy-tuloy ko lang po. Napansin ko rin po, nawala din po yung mga alopecia ko. No, ngayon wala na, 'di ba guys? Ayos ba? 'Di ba? So dati lagi ako nakasombrero kasi makikita yung mga pocknut ko, 'di ba? So ngayon po mas confident na kasi wala na po siya. Now, that made me decide, sabi ko, puntahan ko nga yung source and that's when I met, no, yung founder po ng NanoSci. NanoSci is actually the mother company of NanoCell. Sila po ay manufacturing company. Not just a manufacturing company, but they're actually a toll manufacturer also for other companies. So more than 400 natural whole food supplements are being created here. And also, lahat po yan registered. May FDA po lahat ng mga products po na yan. Now, just a quick background po, no? Nag-start po ito 2007, but prior to that, um, hindi po ito tinatag para lang, alam mo yun, mag-business, magkapera, and all that. But malalim po ang hugot ng Nanosci. Because to tell you honestly, yung may-ari po nito, yung kanilang pamilya, sila Sir Dennis, no, they're very well off na po because they actually own the biggest chocolate factory here in the Philippines called DLA Naturals. So kung iisipin po natin, yung pamilya po nila Dr. Sheila, they're made na. They don't need actually to put up another business because they're actually very well off. But here's the thing, nung sila po ay tinamaan din po ng sakit, doon po nila na-realize na kahit anong yaman mo pala, kapag health ang nawala, no? You are so powerless. You feel like you cannot do anything. And that's why Dr. Sheila searched for answers at nahanap po niya, no, through natural sources. Sa sobrang ganda po ng resulta sa mga mahal niya sa buhay, pati po sa mga ibang mga tao po na may cancer, binigay po yung mga supplements na yun for free. At kaya po tinayo ang Nanosci kasi out of the 4,000 cancer patients po na binigyan ng protocol, 85% po ang tumagal more than 1 year or even more. Some of them are still alive today. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the company that you are dealing with. So Nanosci is actually founded by Dr. Sheila, who is a cell biologist, biotechnologist, gerontologist, and a functional medicine expert. And by the way, together with her, her colleagues such as Dr. Romy De Villa, who's a nutritional oncologist. Doktor po ito ng cancer. Dati po itong dean ng pamantasan ng Maynila. And also, one of the top dermatologists in the country. And also, a pathologist such as Dr. Ronaldad, nagsama-sama po here in NanoCell. So when we talk about NanoCell po, we're talking about real experts. No, hindi lang kasi alam ko lahat kayo importante sa inyo yung health nyo eh. But of course, you only want to listen to real experts. Tama po ba? And that's the reason why these three things, no? Kung kayo po gagamit ng aming mga product, ito po yung sure kayo. Number one, ma'am, no? Ma'am, I just want to tell you, Ma'am Selty, if you take our products, sure ka na yung mga ingredients na makukuha na iniinom ninyo are premium ingredients. In fact, dumarating po yung mga raw materials, prutas pa. Naka-refrigerate po siya. Tapos ine-extract po yan, fresh pa ho. So hindi po kami kumukuha ng raw materials doon sa mga countries na walang mga studies. So lahat po yan, mayroong tamang data sheets. And we're sure na kumpleto po yung lahat ng mga nutrients na kailangan namin. Bukod po doon, we also follow certain techniques in how we will be able to extract and to deliver the nutrients properly. Marami pong mga lumalabas na mga supplements, no? Na basta dinurog, tinuyo, kinapsul, binenta. Pero hindi na po inanalyze. Hindi na po tinignan ano ba yung meron doon na pwedeng makasanhi ng maging sanhi ng additional na sakit kapag sobrang daming iniinom. Dito po sa NanoCell, we make sure po na bawat ingredient is talagang ini-scrutinize. Tinatanggal po yung mga ibang ingredient na nandun po sa mga raw materials so that pag tinake nyo po siya, talagang sure po kayo na wala po itong bad effects sa inyong katawan. I'll give you one example. Sa oregano po. Yung oregano, maganda po yan. Tama po ba? Pero pag kinoncentrate natin siya, once you turn it into an oil, no? If you take too much, there will be cases where meron siyang other parts that can actually harm your vital organs. That's why tinatanggal po natin yon. Kaya sa atin, pure carbacrol. Does it make sense? Also, we make sure na yung lahat ng ingredients na absorb po ninyo. So, paano ginagawa po yon? So, nilalagyan po ng, for example, yung mga curcumin, nilalagyan po yan ng fat. Yung fat na yon, didikit doon sa curcumin para pag ininom mo yung curcumin, hindi mo siya iihi agad. Nakuha niyo po yan? Bakit, Lem? Kasi po, pag uminom kayo na wala pong ganon, na hindi siya liposomal, inom kayo ng inom na supplement, iniihi niyo po ng iniihi. Mapapansin niyo po, especially when you take yung ating mga stem cell activators, isang capsule pa lang ramdam mo na eh. Di ba? Tanong mo kay Sir Norbert. Di ba? Isang capsule pa lang, dalawang capsule pa lang, there's this surge of energy. There's this surge of vitality in your body. Okay? And also, ang kagandahan po dito, etong ating mga products are really, paano ko ba masasabi na it's designed in order to change the community. It is a community-changing activity so that every time meron tayong sale, meron pong senior citizen na mabibless ng libreng supplement. So if you wanna help the senior citizens, be our partner. Be part of NanoCell. So, because every time you take this supplement, there's a senior citizen who will be blessed. All right? And thus we have NanoCell. NanoCell is the marketing arm of NanoCell. NanoCell stands for Natural Nutrition for the Cell. So this is designed to nurture your cell, to heal your cell. Healing at the cellular level, ladies and gentlemen. All right? So, in NanoCell, we apply this health solution program and we call it Reset. This Reset program is designed for your cells na bumalik sila sa dati nilang lakas. So, paano mo gagawin yon? You need 3 simple steps. First is you need to release. How? By taking Nuclens. Nuclens is a drink made from 5 powerful ingredients. What it will do is it will flush out all of the toxins. Hindi lang po siya pampadumi. It's actually something that will really clean up your colon, your liver, your kidney, your lungs, and your skin. Plus, as an added bonus, siya po ay magandang anti-parasite agent. Kailan po ba tayo huli nagpurga? Naalala mo pa, Sir Rene? Kailan nga ba? Di ba? So, Nucleanse po, if you take this, this will help you, no, uh, remove all of those unwanted guests. Also is Bloom Gluta. Bloom Gluta is the best. Ito when I say that with reverence because the doctors in Prima are saying ito daw po yung pinakamagandang glutang nakita nila. Kasi sanay silang kumuha sa abroad. Pero hindi nila alam, ang pinakamaganda pa ng gluta ay nasa Philippines, nasa Subic. At ito po yung Bloom Gluta. Why is it so good? It's because of the combination of each of these ingredients. Pag tinanggal mo yung isa dyan, hindi siya kasing effective. But once you put them all together, sila po kasi ay nagtutulungan. For example, vitamin E maganda, pero mas maganda vitamin E pag may vitamin C. You get my drift? So kailangan po, sama-sama po sila lagi. So if you put them all together, it creates this synergistic effect that it will just increase your antioxidants and it will actually detoxify your liver. Ano po ang side effect nito? No? Sir Jesse, bukod po sa gaganda ang inyong skin, it will actually give you better sleep. Do you like that? One of the best ways to heal your body is to sleep. No? That's the one of the best ways. And if you want to get sick, no? Sirain mo yung sleep pattern mo. That will increase the chances of getting sick. But while taking Bloom Gluta, this will help you go to sleep. Natutuwa po ako doon sa isang doktora natin doon sa Tuguegarao. Sabi niya, tumawag daw yung kanyang neurologist na kaibigan. Pinapapunta yung mga pasyente niya doon sa doktora na member natin. Sabi ng doktora, di ba neurologist ka? Ba't hindi mo binibigyan ng gamot ang mga to? Ba't pinapapunta sa akin? Kasi ginamit ko yung Bloom Gluta mo. Ang sarap ng tulog ko. Bigyan mo rin ng Bloom Gluta yung mga yan. Hindi ko lang sila pwede kasing resetahan ng Bloom Gluta eh. Ikaw na lang magbigay ng Bloom Gluta para gumanda yung tulog po ng mga pasyente niya. Kasi instead na bigyan ng tranquilizer, instead na bigyan ng mga hormonal products, di ba? Bloom Gluta na lang po. Gaganda pa sila and they will have better sleep. Gusto niyo ba i-try, guys? Gusto niyo i-try? Try niyo po, no? Kasi katulad po ni Sir Philip, ang laki po ng difference sa kanya, no? After taking Bloom Gluta. So talagang literal po, bumabata po talaga, no? At the age of 47, no? Parang sabi ko nga sa kanya, parang bumata ka 10 taon na, no? Sa itsura mo pa lang, no? Kasi iba po talaga pag nag-take ka ng ganitong klaseng supplement. Kitang-kita pa. Sabi nga ni Sir Bernie, may pag-asa po ako. Totoo po 'yan, no? Kaya doon po sa mga classmate ko diyan na medyo dumidilim kapag walang ilaw. Okay? Mag-bloom gluta na po tayo. Okay? And thirdly is our carvacrol. Carvacrol is actually the active ingredient of wild oregano. Ang oregano po na to, yung maliliit, hindi po yung malalaki ang dahon. Now, this is good for, number 1, killing bad bacteria. 2, viruses. 3, fungus. And 4, parasites. Nako, napakadami pong natulungan nito. Years ago, no, yung mga merong AIDS. Pamilya po ba kayo sa AIDS? HIV, human immunovirus. So yung HIV po kasi is a virus that actually lowers down your immune system. Ginagawa po niya yan kasi mabilis po siyang dumami. So ginagawa po ng carvacrol, binababa po niya yung viral load mo. So kahit na po may virus, kahit may HIV, no, pwede pa rin pong maprolong yung buhay as long as mababa ang viral load. No? Especially kung may dengue, may malaria, this is very good. So pag kayo po ilalabas, especially summer ngayon, mag-swimming kayo, make sure that before you go out And after, no, nung inyong mga trips, you take 2 soft gels to make sure na wala kang na-take in na any virus or bacteria when you were outside. Kasi you never know, especially when you're in nature, hindi mo alam anong klaseng bacteria, virus meron diyan. Tama po ba? So maganda rin po ito para sa merong allergic rhinitis. If you have allergic rhinitis, laging sinisipon, take a 2 sa umaga, 2 sa gabi, no? You will thank me afterwards. Okay? Carvacrol. Sabi nga ni JC, instant ginhawa every time siya ay nagka-Carvacrol. Okay? The next step, after tanggalin yung mga pangit, is to reload. So, ilalagay po natin lahat ng mga kulang. So, how? The best way possible. Spirulina. 100 nutrients in every tablet. The beauty here is, tayo po mismo, yung ating company po, ang nag-grow po nito. Be proud because this is Filipino-made, no? With the help of our friends from Switzerland na nag-regulate po sa atin at nagbibigay sa atin ng mga strain ng spirulina, we're able to create high-grade spirulina that will actually provide you and your family all the nutritional needs ng ating katawan. Sir, yung pain for my knee, ilang beses na ako pumunta sa doc, lahat ng labs nagawa na until now, sumasakit pa rin. Nako, ma'am. Ma'am Seldy, abangan mo yung sa dulo. May papakita ako sa iyo. Stick with me. Stick with me. Because this spirulina po, no, if you take this po regularly, it can actually help prevent a lot of diseases. Now, sa katawan po natin, laging kailangan ng sustansya, especially our heart. Pag kinukulang po ng sustansya yung heart, kumukuha po siya sa other parts of the body. Kaya kumukulubot yung skin. Kaya humihina yung bones. Kasi baka kulang ka na ng calcium, kulang ka na ng collagen, kinukuha pa ng heart mo. Pag nag-take ka ng spirulina, this will supply you with all the nutrients your body needs. Except vitamin C. That's why, pinapartner natin ang spirulina with vitamin C. So when you put it together, you know what happens? Meron silang synergistic effect. Di ba sinasabi lagi ni Sir Allen yung A, D, E, and K. Yung mga fat-soluble vitamins, ADEC. Remember that, guys? No, sa ating mga trainees? Vitamin C actually is very, what's the right term? Meron silang synergy, parang magandang relationship that they actually maintain each other. No? So dapat talaga pag nag-spirulina ka, meron kang equicy in order to increase the effect of both supplements. Nakuha po natin? So I hope nakuha po natin yun na dapat pag mag-spirulina, wag spirulina lang. Dapat merong equicy. So 4 tablets, no? 3 times a day spirulina, equicy 1 tablet, 3 times a day. No, you can do 2 or even 3. Depende sa needs mo. And then, pagsabayin nyo po ng inom yan. And you will actually experience it to the full. Plus, it's very safe for kids. So, ito po ay iba po sa mga ibang vitamin C na pwede mag-cause ng mga kidney stones, di ba? If you take it too much. Ito po, kahit gaano karami pong i-take ninyo, wala pong calcification sa ating kidney because this is natural vitamin C. Basically, in-extract lang po yan dun sa ating kamo-kamo berry, which is very rich in vitamin C all the way from the Amazon rainforest. Grabe, no? And, of course, sino ba dito na in love sa berry orac? Type 5, kung nagustuhan mo ba yung ating berry orac. Di ba? Ang berry orac po is designed to remove stress in our bodies, especially in our brain and in our gut. Ang gut po, no, yung ating bituka, sobrang related po siya sa brain. So pag kayo po ay na-stress, yung bituka nai-stress din. Kaya pansin mo, yung dumi mo, galapis na lang. Pag ikaw ay nagagalit, sa mo nararamdaman yung galit, di ba dito? Pag ikaw ay kinakabahan, di ba dito mo siya nararamdaman? So there is actually a connection between the two. That's why when you take berry orac, wag mo siyang titimplahin. Ilalagay mo siya sa ilalim ng dila. Wag mo agad iinuman ng tubig. Let it stay. Sip-sipin mo lang siya for a few seconds to make sure that it is actually going sublingually straight to the brain and then eventually to your gut. If you do that, what will happen is that your brain will relax. Stress ka ba, kapatid? No? Stress ka ba? Take Berry Ora. Hindi ka pumapasa sa exam? Take Berry Ora. Masama ang loob ni Mrs.? Bigyan ng Berry Ora. No? So I'm telling you, if you take this, this will improve your mood. Pag magandang mood mo, maganda ang performance mo. Alright? This is so powerful. That's why I'm telling you, tuwan-tuwa pa ako kasi ginawa tong sobrang affordable ni Dr. Sheila. Look at all of these ingredients. At its price point, nako, sobrang value for money. Ang ganda rin po nito sa cancer, ang ganda po nito sa mga thyroid problems, ang ganda po nito sa skin problems, no? Ang ganda po nito sa neurological problems. This is so powerful. Imagine mo 1.2 million ORAC value ba naman? Imagine that, right? And look at Rafaela after 4 days of taking the products. So babalikan namin siya sa Batangas, i-check up po si Rafaela, how is she doing right now na. No? So pasing po na kanyang lola, lumalambot po yung dating matigas na parang bukol dito sa kanyang leeg. Alright? And of course, the third step, which is yung ating berberine and Ultima Stem Plus. Ready na ba kayo? So ang berberine po, wala, gusto ko lang ano sa inyo kasi kaya po kasi nagka-nanocell dahil din dito sa berberine to. Because meron ba ditong nasabihin na may diabetes ka? Meron po ba mga may diabetes? May mga diabetes ba tayo dito? At sabi po sa inyo ng doktor, for life na raw yung diabetes mo. Meron ba? Eh syempre dahil sabi ng doktor, sabi nung ano mo, nagpa-check up ka, tinetake mo ngayon yung mga maintenance. Pero nung tinake mo na yung mga maintenance, ano nangyari? May mga iba kang nararamdaman, no? Tapos minsan nag-iisip ka, how would this affect my liver? How would this affect my kidneys? Tapos unti-unti, parang nare-realize mo, oh nga, no? Gato na ba talaga ako? So ang big question kasi dito, paano mo ba minamanage yung sugar mo? No? I mean, kasi kaya mo mga iniinom kasi gusto mo i-manage yung sugar mo eh. Pero in the process ba, are you slowly damaging your body also? So that's why we wanna introduce to you another path. This is not a replacement. This is um, a reset, no, ng ating mga cells. This is scientifically proven. It's not just a pill. This is a breakthrough, ladies and gentlemen. Agree ba kayo doon? Ang berberine po kasi is a natural plant, no, na atos galing po siya sa Coptis chinensis. Okay? Now, ito po, kino-compare po ng mga scientists sa metformin without any harsh side effects. The beauty is it supports your insulin response, it reduces your sugar spikes. Kaya kayo naantok, no? And it will even improve your weight. Ladies and gentlemen, may nakakarinig ba dyan? No? Without forcing your liver na mag-work overtime. Yung kasing ginagawa po ng mga gamot eh. So, pag sinabing natural, hindi ibig sabihin nun weak siya. Natural means wise. I have to repeat that. Natural means wise. It means working with your body. Natural means working with your body and not working against it. Agree ba kayo doon? That's why ang berberine po is not here to replace your doctor. It's here to remind you, nature had answers bago po yung parmasya. Agree? Bago pa ho yung parmasya, meron na po to. 3,000 years ago na po, may berberine na. Na-discover na po to ng mga Chinese. Diba? So if you're tired of fear, if you're tired of side effects, if you're tired of feeling like a number on a prescription drug, no? It's your time to try something new naman. No, I wanna talk to you ha. Baka ito na yung time na mag-try ka ng something new. Because maybe this is your chance to heal. Maybe this is a time for balance in your body. Maybe it's your time to fight back. Are you there? My friend, berberine is not synthetic. It's not magic. This is proven plant-based science for people who want more than just survival. Kasi yun na lang po nangyayari sa mga marami Pilipino eh. Sir, I just wanna survive. That's why I'm taking these pills. Sayang, hindi ko lang pakita yung picture ng ate ko. Ang ate ko kasi diabetic eh. And nakikita ko, she's, parang her energy is low, ganyan. Alam mo, now, nung bumaba na yung sugar niya, she's hiking, she's traveling, she went to Vietnam recently. Ngayon, nasa Indonesia naman siya, nag-hiking sila mag-asawa. It's tough na, ayoko lang mag-survive ka, kapatid. Ang gusto ko po dito, mag-thrive ka. So are you with me? So by taking berberine, once a day, yun lang po hinihiling ko. After kumain, take 1 berberine. Yun lang. And you see yourself slowly, no, balancing your body and increasing your mitochondria in order for you to get what your body really needs. Are you with me, guys? So, here's the testimony no, ni Ma'am Kat Arceo. Wanna thank si Sir Nico for introducing her to us. Imagine from 120 to 99. Tapos not to mention the lipid profile nag-improve. Ganda, di ba? So this is so powerful. Etong product po natin. So 2 weeks niya lang po ginamit yan. So I challenge you, guys, do the berberine challenge. 2 weeks lang, try mo. No? Para kung ikaw diabetic, take it 3 times a day. No, after meals and see yourself have more energy. And now, our powerful product. Now, if you are over 40 years old, meron ba ditong over 40 years old? And you feel like you're healthy. You're over 40 pero healthy ka. Meron po ba tayo dito? I wanna tell you, regalo yun ng Diyos. Agree? Kaya kailangan protektahan po natin yan. Tama? Tama po ba? No? But here's my question, ladies and gentlemen. Okay ka na ba dyan? Okay na ba yan? Yan na ba yung gusto mo? Or tingin mo ba meron ka pang mas maibubuga pa? Tingin mo ba meron pang mas itataas pa yung health mo? Ladies and gentlemen, ang problema kasi, most people, they wait. They wait for signs. No? Bago sila may babaguhin, gagalaw lang sila kapag nakikita nilang bumabagsak na po yung health nila. Ganun ka ba? Gagalaw ka lang ba kapag it's too late na? Hello? But here's the truth, my friends. No? Here's the truth. Aging starts silently. Energy fades quietly. Hindi mo napapansin, no? Unti-unti, nawawala na yung vitality. Your cells weaken before you even notice. Hindi mo napapansin. Do you agree with that? Nagulat ka na lang ba one day, parang, ba't ganito yung katawan ko? It did not happen overnight. Slowly, every day. That's why, here at NanoCell, we say, don't wait. We reset. We renew. We reclaim what time tries to take away from us. Ang Ultima Stem Plus po is not just to support your stem cells. It's more than that. More than activation, it protects your cells. Yung aronia berry po dyan, so potent that can actually kill cancer cells before they start. 'di ba? It multiplies, itong Ultima Stem Cells po, itong Ultima Stem Plus, it multiplies your body's ability to repair itself from the inside out. So kung ikaw, tulog ka lang, okay ka na, di ba? Pag nag-Ultima Stem Plus ka, tapos matulog ka, parang times 10 yung effect ng tulog mo. Nakuha po natin? Yung po yung power ng Ultima Stem Plus. I hope you get this, especially for our current members. Kasi po ang health po kasi hindi po siya yung absence of disease. It's the presence of energy. It's the presence of vitality, of clarity. Gusto mo yung energy na hindi nauubos pagdating ng 2:00? Gusto mo ba yun? Di ba? That's why you don't have to wait, no? You don't have to wait to feel bad to start. Because some people, they wait too long. You can do something good right now for your body. You just have to decide, no? Ito po gusto ko sabihin sa inyo. You are worth it. You are worth the upgrade. So ang Ultima Stem Plus po is not just for the sick. Ultima Stem Plus is for the smart. Hello. Ultima Stem Plus is not just for the sick. It's for the smart. Kasi in the end, if you don't do it now, gagawin mo pa 5 years from now, wala na yung vitality. The power of this product, imagine mo, it attacks all of the reasons why we're aging so fast. And it's backed up by science. That's why people like Sir Willie from the US, no? Pinapadala pa doon yung product. He is a cancer patient. Pansin mo para siyang nauubos. Pero after niya gumamit ng 2 products natin, gumandang lalaki. Bakit po? Bukod po sa pinapatay po niya yung mga cancer cells, ina-activate po niya yung mga stem cells. Yung synergistic na effect po niya. Plus, it gives you more energy. Andito po ba si ma'am? Nandito ba si Ma'am Seldy? Ma'am Seldy, I want to show you a video. This was me. This was me before. Suffering from gout. That was me after 3 months na nakahiga lang po because of my joint problems. Kung makita mo dyan, medyo masaya-saya pa ako niyan. Kasi nakakakabang ako. But to tell you honestly, pag ako na lang mag-isa, naawa ako sarili ko. Pag ako na lang po mag-isa, niisip ko ano mangyari sa mga anak ko. Pag ako na lang mag-isa, it's a pain. Because I know this is not my ending. Dapat hindi ganito ang ending ko. I need to grow. I have 3 kids. Alam mo 'yon? But you know, when I started to believe na pwede akong gumaling, when I started to be with positive people, na na-introduce po sa akin tong Ultima Stem Plus. Ito po ako after 5 days of taking it. On the 5th day, nagulat po ako, humahakbang ako na walang pain. Humahakbang po ako na teka, walang masakit. Kaya pansin mo, ingat na ingat ako humakbang kasi masakit yan eh. Kasi yung mga fascia ng katawan ko, tumigas na. Paano lumambot ulit? Sabi ko, this is really amazing. So if I would challenge everybody, guys, if you're smart, you will take Ultima Stem Plus. No? If you're just smart, don't wait until you're sick. Take it today. All right? So again, here is our reset program. Na-bless ba kayo? I hope meron kayong bagong nakuha, no? May bago kayong nakuha tonight. So I want to buy now the Ultima. Ma'am, talk to Ma'am Edna po. Talk to Ma'am Edna po. And I hope na everybody here will just be filled with vitality. Let me remind you again. Health does not mean the absence of disease. It is the presence of vitality. It is the presence of energy. It's the presence of hope and power. So here in NanoCell, I hope lahat po yun makuha po ninyo.